Infrared spectroscopy has been part of scientific breakthrough and discovery for almost a century. And yet, infrared spectroscopy has lost none of its relevance in the scientific world. Quite the opposite. Whether in chemistry, physics, biology, or material science, IR is helping scientists obtain molecular information rapidly and reliably. No wonder that generations of students have been studying rotational bands and energy levels, evaluating functional groups, and learning the basics of this fundamental spectroscopic technique. And because learning is primarily about motivation, a student's first encounter with infrared spectroscopy should be a pleasant one. That's why Bruker offers the Alpha 2 Teaching Kit, a modern, user-friendly spectrometer that brings all the features and accessories to teach the fundamentals. The software and user interface follow the principles of a smartphone, making the Alpha 2 super easy to learn and use. Students are able to measure, compare, or interpret spectra, all on their own and very intuitively. All functions are easily accessible. That means peak picking and band integration, as well as library search and quantification. And afterwards, the spectra and results can be sent directly to the students by email or file share, or can be saved to a USB thumb drive. The spectrometer itself is designed for maximum service life with as little maintenance as possible. A satisfying click indicates whether the quick-snap accessories are locked to or unlocked from the base spectrometer, minimizing the chance to misalign or even break something. The hardware simply does its job, even when beginners are handling it. All of this gives the students as well as the teaching personnel the peace of mind to really focus on the experiment and the lesson. The Alpha 2 Teaching Kit consists of a gas cell in combination with an additional aperture, a foil holder for the thickness determination of polymer foils, and a liquid cell for Lambert-Beer quantification. And because we love teaching spectroscopy as well, why not check out our many FT-IR Basics tutorials? Thanks for watching and see you next time.